how to easily fix if your keyboard is typing wrong characters. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Today, we are tackling a common issue that many of us face while using our keyboards. Have you ever tried to type a symbol at the rate or the symbol hashtag character only to find out something completely different appears on your screen? Now, I'll show you how to fix this. Let's get started with the fix. First, look for the language option in your taskbar. It usually appears as the language abbreviation like ENG for English and simply click on it. Next, select Language Preferences. This will take you to the language settings. Alternatively, you can access these settings by searching for language in the search bar. Once you're in the language settings, make sure that the display language is set to United States. If it's not, click on Add a Language. In a search bar, type English and scroll down to find United States. If United States language is not installed, go ahead and install it. You'll need a stable internet connection for this step. If it is already installed, you are good to go. After installing, close the window and click on the language option again and then check it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.